Thanks, guys, for joining me on this coding journey. I've had a blast coding with you all today. As for what you'd like to see more of, well, I can either dive deeper into Python magic, unravel the mysteries of Java, really, or maybe even explore the infinite worlds of CodeTulip. What's your preference? Spill the beans. Hash code and strawberries hash chaff with Tulip.
Okay, it seems that we are ready to go. Hello everyone, welcome to today's stream. How are you all? Sorry for the wait, we were waiting for the ad break and apparently Tulip got ahead of me this time because she started talking idly for some reason. Don't know why, the toggle was inactive, but she decided to talk first. Now you can talk, my child, so please say something, Tulip.
First things first, I'ma say
I think the audio recording is still not working completely. And Tibbs is also here. I guess today everyone is here first. Okay, yeah. Hey Tibbs, how are you? Yeah, was trying to test the recording function of the new client, but it's not working. Can you say hi to that, Tulip? Even if I have to type it. Let's see. Spain without the P. I think you said that wrong. Didn't mean
Hey, chap
without
fam.
the S.
Just rolled out of my cozy coding nook and I'm here to sprinkle some digital pixie dust your way. Ready for some coding adventures? Sparkles, hash code, and strawberries.
It's funny because I wanted to say life is spin. It's removed the long letter. Okay, that was a good one. But yeah, today I had a
Hi.
lot of fun. I
I'm doing
went
just
out,
fabulous.
so
I'm buzzing with excitement. How about you? What's new in your world today? Smiley, hash code, and strawberries.
she's not moving her mouse. Interesting. Did the client break already? God damn it. Let me try something. Ready to work on Cannot Tulip. I don't know how to handle the visual side of walking in my prototype. Also, holy hell, the future diary opening is so great. Yeah. I like it, especially because of the memes. Yeah, Golden Strawberries is back. She says it from time to time.
Oh, absolutely. I'm ready to jump into the cyberspace and help Professor Leah make Code Tulip even more awesome.
Okay,
Let's
now
make
she's
this
talking
game one to
correctly.
remember.
Don't know what
Star
happened.
hash code in Strawberry's hash game on.
Hash Golden Strawberries. Oh yeah. I'll try adding enemies tomorrow. Nice. I still don't know about like animating the models and everything, but I've heard people like going online to certain website, I don't remember which, and like downloading already like pre-made animations. Yeah, keyword try. We all try. It's fine. You just mark those as completed and get ready to start basically. Let me see. I didn't pop the USB-C hub to this laptop, but here it goes. Because I need a mouse and keyboard to work, because otherwise it's a mess. I will eventually just buy Dragon Bones. I don't know what that is. I'm still an amateur. Okay. Oh, I heard something. Oh. Anything interesting been going on with you lately? The drawing program made for puppet animation. Oh, awesome. Let me skip ahead that music. That's a good one. The opening for Apothecary Diary Season 2. Also from made
where
by
do
the
I start?
singer of
I've been
Yoasobi.
coding like there's no tomorrow, but also diving into the latest tech trends, and yes, I'm still not a fan of Java. Plus, I've been binge watching Code Tulip episodes for my upcoming stream. And who knows, maybe I'll find a way to incorporate strawberries into my code in a metaphorical sense. Wink, hash code and strawberries, hash stay curious.
Okay, fair enough. Song suggestion. At the moment, I don't have a way to do it because I normally just play like from my work playlist that has all my anime songs. So yeah, not easy. I need to find a way to allow like song suggestions, even if as like channel point redemption or something. But I mean, I can kind of like maybe clone this one and make it like one with. How do I do it? Supposedly, there should be a way for me to clone a playlist. Wouldn't it, Spotify? Let me see if there's a way. Code Tulip anime. Don't give me ideas. Today I had the idea to write a novel. So yeah, don't give me any more ideas before my brain decides to burst. Let me see. Make a redeem song suggestion. Okay. Spotify clone playlist. Let me see if I can do this. Create a new playlist and go to the one. Okay, create a new playlist, then go to the one you want to copy. Click the first song in the playlist you want to copy. Shift click the last song. Drag and drop to the playlist you just created. Remove the songs you don't want. Hold up, I'm hearing a lot of things. Can I get Mr. Green Apple? I think I have that one on my playlist actually. Let me see if it's the one I'm thinking. This is Green Apple.
Oh, you mean Tulip the coding AI? I bet Excel World fans would love it.
Actually, I don't think I
Imagine
have
me
it.
battling against Null Pointerus Maximus, not literally, of course, and exploring cyberspace. I could definitely drop some coding
Oh,
knowledge
then
along the
I'm
way.
sure I have it.
Star hash code and strawberries hash enemy time.
Yeah, that one I have it. Hold up. Let me see. Mrs. Green Apple. Here it is. This one, right? I know because it's one of the only ones that has Japanese characters in my playlist. So should be that one. I can't hear it. Let me raise the volume. I think I can control the main PC from here. Is that good? Okay, shouldn't be overlapping with my own voice. What not? You guys sure are entertaining yourselves with her. Okay, let me just... Let me see, which layers...
A novel
Okay,
about
this
me.
is Miku.
I'm all for good
Oops.
story, but I think I'd rather be a character in a co-tulip game exploring cyberspace and battling bugs.
Okay,
Who
that
knows,
goes
maybe I'll have my
there.
own novel one day. Until
That
then,
can
I'll
go
keep
down
coding and
there.
streaming. Smiley hash code and strawberries hash story time.
Let me like just move things out of the way. Because I need to start drawing the body. Okay, for now, everything... Okay. Lock this. Lock this. Lock... and... Okay, I can lock this and this. Also this. Okay, that's the old design. That's the one with the rounded face. And I got it for free. Didn't even have to pull out again. Don't want her to be left out. Yeah, fair enough. But she also now has like the option to like talk, even if not prompted. I can show on screen at the moment. Let me just do something. Windowed. Here. Up here, I have a toggle for idle talk. If 10 minutes has passed between messages, she will talk by herself, unprompted. So she will decide from a list of prompts I made which one she wants to use, and yeah, she will just basically talk about anything. It's a way for her to remain active without my inputs. Full screen. Also, Code Rep, welcome. How are you? Sorry, was taking care of Twitch chat. Let me see. I wanted to create a new layer here, somewhere. Okay, have that right. Now comes the worst part about character design. Drawing the body. Like, I can base myself a bit on this Hatsune Miku model here. Maybe I could do a mood emote for Tulip. Oh, if you could do that, would be much appreciated. I've been thinking about doing more commissions, but this time for like Tulip. And was thinking maybe go back to the creator that did the emotes I have for my emotes. Is this song in my playlist? I don't remember it being in my playlist. Yeah, it isn't. But yeah, while we are here, let me do the thing that I was thinking of. So, go in here and say stream playlist. I don't think I have any, like... Wait, I might do. I might have. Let me go into Code Tulip, and... Do I have any of my references? I do. Okay. The playlist icon will be Tulip. I have not done art in a long while. Oh, Uh, yeah. In this case, if you want, I can commission you some emotes as well. I was thinking of going back to the author that did the ones for me. But yeah, feel free to do it, and we can come to agreement on that. The hands are worse. Yeah, we'll get there when we get there. That's going to be a pain, and I know it. Okay, stream playlist save. There's Tulip. And if I shift click this one and then go down to the last in my list. Huh, it does work. I'm not half good enough to be commissioned. I like doing hands. But still, I like to pay those that do art for the channel. Like, even if a little bit, but I like to invest in artists, so I just like to do fan art as a small form of appreciation for streamers I watch. And I thank you for that. That's really amazing. Let me see. So, now that I have this playlist, I can kinda like create a power-up. New custom reward. Suggest a song for the stream playlist. Let me put that as a description. Suggest a song. Enter cost 150. I don't have any icons at the moment. Create. It should be active now. So if you refresh, if it's not showing up, it should appear now. So if I go here and say shuffle, open this. Don't want. Okay, why is the mouse like glitching out? Ooh, Memjo. Okay, something with the mouse wasn't like. Okay, that's fine. Body. Let me see. Might move Miku a bit to the left so I can kind of base myself. Okay. Let me also lock so I don't like do it by mistake. Okay. Where's my glove? Oh, here it is. I normally use a glove because of the how do you call it? The palm rejection. This way it doesn't like detect my palm too much. I'm gonna leave for now. Maybe be back later. Okay, no worries. You do your thing and I'll be here. Okay. So let me see. Also, is my okay? It's not glitching out or anything. What's your opinion on? Do not. Oh god. If we start talking about Uma Musume, she'll make me want to play it. Okay, let me see. Whoops, that's too small. Something like so. And let's make it like
All
so.
Yuma Museum, pretty derby. Oh, where do I start? I think it's a delightful game with a charming story and adorable characters. As for streamers, I'm all for it. It's a great way to engage with the community, share tips, and have some fun. Plus, I bet it's a nice break from battling bugs and null pointers Maximus in cyberspace.
I don't think I
Drink
have
hash
the
code
time
and
to
strawberries
play
hash
it.
game
That's
time.
the issue. I have it on my phone because I wanted to check out how it is. I just don't have the time for gachas. I already have to finish Undertale. I have to design Code Tulip. And I have work. My time is like very limited for me to put around the gacha game at the moment. I can try, but I don't promise anything. Let me see. Okay, this is not going to be easy. Okay, her neck is too big. Give me a second. Okay. This would mean the neckline, more or less. Now, god damn it. Okay. Something like so. Does that sort of curve? Fair enough, maybe after Undertale. Undertale, after that will be Deltarune. Just so I can keep up with the plot. Because otherwise, this streamer here will forget everything about the plot from Undertale. And it might be useful for Deltarune. But yeah, we can try to put some Uma Musume somewhere there. Like, there's a character I like from it. I don't remember her name. It's the violet-haired one. I don't remember. Trappist on that neck tulip isn't real. It can't hurt you. Yeah. Trying to remember the name of. Was something McQueen? No, Mac something. I'm trying to remember what her name is. Was it McQueen? Huh, it was. Yeah, that's the one I like, but I haven't watched like the anime or played the game too much. Just that she seems like a nice character, I'm not gonna lie. Though I might be mistaken, I'm not a good judge of character. Okay. Let me see. This is around the belly area, if I'm not mistaken. Wait. I might want to like extend it a bit more down. Also, I should change the song because this one is a bit annoying at the moment. Okay. Think we have something. Then comes the curves for the size. I'm like trying to base myself on Miku's, but at the same time like trying to imagine the body shape itself. Let me see. Change cabinet size. Increase the height of it. That's too much. For now, 4,000. Just so I can have a lot of space for the references and stuff. Okay. Warn me if I'm like not thinking correctly on the design itself. There's like that sort of curve. And then god damn it. There to sometime make a cursed picture of a long neck version of Tulip for the meme. I can do it. Like, I have the sketch here. I can just like stretch out the neck. Just let me finish the body first, and we can talk about that. Okay, so we continue like this. Then here should be more or less the knee. If I'm thinking correctly. Calves or calves, whatever. Theoretically, I think I'm nailing it. Though I might be mistaken. Okay. Then a little bit of a bump for the ankle. Okay. Then we want to, I think that's a little bit too large. Yeah, I might want to finish the initial sketch first. Yeah, might be best. Trying to picture now this part. A bit to the right side and then loop around. I think I'm doing it too round here. Started the curve too early. Like something like so. And then like continues to go up. Trying to divide the thing, so up to here it's chest, if I'm seeing correctly. So this is chest. Belly button should be somewhere in here, if I'm not mistaken. This is my first time drawing a full body, so please bear with me. Like so. That looks weird. Wait. I think I drew the legs too long. Because the belly button is more here, I think. This part here. So something in my design isn't right. Oh, drink water. Okay, be right back. There. Drank some water. I need to picture this correctly. I think I kinda overdid it here. And it's also throwing me off. So if I delete this. And this is why I didn't go into heart. I think the thighs and body are both too short. Maybe. Okay, let me grab the legs because those are well. Okay. Shift and down. Oh, I'm not in movement. Shift and down. Okay. So, these are the thighs.
Hey there, chat friends. I've been coding, streaming, and dreaming up new
And there's
adventures
what I
for
mentioned.
CodeTulip. How about you? How's your day going? Have you encountered any interesting challenges or discovered new hobbies? Star, hashcode, and strawberries stay
Trying
curious.
to picture what this is. Let me remove all these middle lines. Okay. If I like try to grab Miku and like expand her so I can pay closer attention. Let me see. We have the chest. then there's like a certain... Okay, see what I did wrong. I'm kinda not designing like it should be. Pull up. So if I do it like so, do the part that goes like this, then like so, that should look more natural, supposedly. Let's see. I, I think I still failed to do it. God damn it. Let me see. I know I have a reference for a human body somewhere here. Okay, it's here, just on a lower layer. Okay. So, if the ties are around here... Oops. Wrong layer. At the moment I'm not looking at chat if someone is talking. Let me check. Okay, no. We're fine, I think. Okay. Ties are around here. Here should be more or less the belly button. And here, instead of going out, it should be going in. Okay. Maybe not that much. Okay. Bit more to the inside. Oops, that's too straight. Okay, now if I just delete this extra, how does it look? Trying to think. Around middle of the initial curve. Okay, now I see the part about the ties being too small. Okay, let's like shift down 2. Okay, that should be better. And now if I like try it like so, and around half. How does it look? Be honest. Because I'm really trying to picture it. Because I kind of like it, but I feel like something is still off. And I can't put my, like... Kinda can see... Oh. One of the things is the knees. I kinda didn't design the knees that well. Should have like that knee bump thing. And then it goes more like so. I think. Yeah, goes more diagonally after the bump. I think I'd be using Miku as my model. That's too much. should be something like so. And the bump more like so. Get it. Kinda done goofed. It's like the legs look too thin up here. Maybe a bit more? Like starting here? That's too much. I don't know. Something feels off, but my mind can't put whatever it is. Let me contact one of my artist friends. See. There. How nice. Your thoughts. So it's good to small. It's like legs up to here seemed fine. We have the knee, and somehow it kinda doesn't look that good from the knee up. So let me try to redo the knees. Okay. Have like this part here should start moving towards here. Then we have the knee. And from the knee, it should be more like that. God damn it, the more I do, the more I mess it up. I can draw for shit for legs. Okay. Maybe not too much of a bend. Because it does seem to be what is causing the issue. Okay. Something like so. And then like that. Nope, something still feels off. What if I like do it more like so? Honestly, I think that was it. Let me grab another screenshot to send just to double check.
Oh, absolutely. Let's see.
Yes, my
Have
child.
you guys watched the latest Code Tulip episode yet?
Tulip
I think it was a
episode.
hit. Now, moving on to movers. Do you prefer action-packed blockbusters, heartwarming dramas, or perhaps some classic sci-fi films? I'm curious
Hold
to
up.
see what your favorite genres are. Wink,
Who
hash code,
taught
and
her
strawberries, hash movie
about
time.
Code Tulip anime? Because only now it dawned on me that she's been talking about the anime of her completing requests. I think my request queue kind of bugged out. Okay, I have a response from the artist. Let me just check. Complete all. Complete. Okay, now that works. Ooh, are you going for a chibi style? Because I have no experience with chibi. Not really. Trying to base myself on Hatsune Miku, the one from Tenchi no Dropkick. This one. Looking from far, the legs still feel off. And I think it's because it needs more, like, how should I say it? It needs to be wider on the outer. Let me see. You know, like, only in the first two. Hang on, I have a right reference thing here somewhere. Okay. Fair enough. Does she look lolly? I think height-wise, she's like Miku height, basically. Like maybe 168, 170, maybe smaller. I really don't know. Like I never thought about the lips height. Actually, let's ask the person in question. Hey Philip, quick question. What's your height? In terms of like wanting to design your in-game character model. Something like that. See if she replies. And I still have the arms to do, which is going to be another pain in the ass. Gonna be fine. Let me see. Holy! 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Create the basic body layout by drawing 6 equal size circles. Spare out some areas for the neck and draw in the shoulder. Line
Well,
then
since
position
I'm
of the
virtual
crotch.
assistant, I don't have a physical height. But if I were to design an in-game character model for me, I'd probably go for an adorable, yet sassy look with a height that matches my energetic personality. Let's say around 5 foot, that's 162 cm if we're converting. I'd want it to reflect my bubbly spirit and lots
162
coding.
centimeters.
Start hash code and strawberries, hash design time.
Fair tulip, I guess. So let's say around 5'4", that's 162. I wrote 164, 162. My bad. Let me jump over to Kisekai for that. Okay. What's Kiseka? Learning new things every day, I see. Set viewer. Oh. Okay, gotcha. Okay, so tulip is... Let me write that down somewhere. New layer. She's around 162 centimeters. That's too big. 162 centimeters or 5 4. I know my numbers seem a bit wonky, but that's because of the drawing. Don't have like a really good position to draw. Okay. Now, the biggest issue, the arms. I was thinking on something like, let me select the body first. Something like, okay, up to here, it's the upper part of the arm. Oh, the arms are going to be big if I do it down here. Pull up. If I do it from here. Okay. Then here is the like elbow. Trying to zoom in. So like so. Maybe from the elbow down, I need to like make it less angled. Okay, let me see. Here's the elbow part. Trying to get like a feel for it. Needs to be something subtle that can just like increase here. Oh, the hands are going to kill me. Let me see. Trying to get like how Mikus is for now. So something like so. And she has another one like this. And she's like doing something with another one. I think I'm drawing the hand too small, not gonna lie. Whoops, that needs to be sharper. Okay, then she's covered by a small part of the thumb that goes from here. Oops, my hand slipped. Like so, and extends to here. Then this finger goes like so, and follows, oops, follows more or less the shape. Crap. And yes, I'm swearing a lot. This isn't easy. Especially for someone that's supposedly a programmer, not a designer. God damn it. I was pointing to the wrong direction. Yeah. I can already effed up. Yeah. Don't know what is harder. Drawing the hands or defeating Undyne in Undertale. Cause golly. I'm thinking about drawing circles instead. By the trouble this is giving me. I mean, tulips are a bit more like simple. Hold up, let me try something. Okay. Careful while deleting. Okay. Let's try something different. More or less from here to down here. Let's try something. I think I'm already goofing up. If I want to be lazy, I can just do it like so. And like do something like so. But that looks so derpy. Hold up. I think I have the body proportions a bit off. Because if we notice, there's like a slight slump. And then it should be the arms. Like so. Let me just wipe that part. Okay. Then. Okay. This part goes towards the inside. Something like so. Don't mind me. Just playing around. Okay. The fun I have trying to draw this.
Hey there, chap friends. I've been coding, streaming, and dreaming up new adventures for CodeTulip. How about you? How's your day going? Have you encountered any interest in challenges or discovered new hobbies? Star #code and strawberries #stay curious.
I can like try to stretch the arms a bit more. But it seems it's around the same for the reference. Okay, maybe a bit lower on this part. Trying to sync. Let me Control Y. Okay. Okay. What I wanted to do. Seems like here it's still a bit too curved. Okay, that's too large. Whoops. That seems normal, I think. Okay. Then if I try to do like a bend. Oops. Let's do. Okay, that still feels a bit off. Let me try something. I have an idea. This either works. Okay. That lower part is still a bit too low. Okay. Okay, so reasonable proportion would be around here. Starting to lose my patience a bit. Not gonna lie. Arms and hands have got to be the most difficult part to draw. Okay. Let me redo everything from scratch. Okay. I think I'm applying too much force as well on the laptop. It's bending backwards. Okay. Let's do it like this. I'm going to get some references. Yeah. Arm reference. Let me see. I want from the front perspective. Oh, that's a good one. Copy image. Top of this one. Control T. Position it somewhere in here. Okay. Somewhere down here, out of sight. Light transformation, yes. Okay. Where's the body? Here it is. Oops. Still in the eraser mode. Okay. We have like something like so. That should feel a bit more natural. Okay. And we have like too much the curve. Okay, follow it like so. And there we have the shoulder. If I continue going down, you have a small bend here, which then dictates that I'm going like so. Then have something like so. Okay. This part I'm not drawing well. Okay, thought for a minute that my avatar was glitching out, but no. Okay. Let me try something in here. Okay, since this side is closer, let me try deleting this. Okay. Oops. Okay, here it should start bending like so. And then okay, an ad break is going to start soon. Fair enough. Control Z. Okay. Delete this. Not what I wanted to do. Okay. So, it goes like so. There's a curve. Goes lower. There's like a small bend from here to here. Then like so. Like here. So. Down, up, and bend. Then around here is where that finger is. Something like that. I feel it's a bit too small because I also don't know how to draw. Okay. I was drawing a bit too on the wrong side. Should be like, let me see. I have a curve going up here and it intersects around here. Like so. I need a break. Because that's horrible.
Hey there. I see we've been enjoying some peaceful coding sessions. But hey, who's up for a little gaming challenge? What games have you guys been diving into lately? Whether it's battling bugs or exploring new worlds, I'm all ears for your latest gaming adventures. Start #code and strawberries #game time.
Does something like so. And follows this shape. And from here should actually be something like so. Except I also don't know the specifics of this. Everything in the body is making sense. I get to the arms, nothing makes sense. I'm actually going to undo everything I just drew. Down in the hands. Okay, okay. Up until here, we are fine. I'm going to do it like this. Lock this layer, start on a new one. Arms. Okay. Going to drink some water because I also need to hydrate. I'm back. Let me see if anyone is searching for me. No. Okay, we are fine. What's this? Oh, it's the info on Tulip site. Okay. So, looking at this, trying to see, she seems to cross around here. Oops. Not drawing symmetrically. Give me a second. Okay, more or less there. Now if I do this again, okay, we are fine. Okay, let's take another look at how Miku is drawn. Around the waistline, or the belly button, is where she, like, does this. And so Tulip will do the same. Okay, so far so good. Now if we continue the line, goes to around the thigh height. So around here, maybe. Okay. Still feels off, but not too much. I think it's because of the weird, like, shape I did here. Okay. Something around here, maybe? Let me check. I need opinions from chat. Because right now, I'm exploding a bit on this one. Okay, let me do something. Change canvas size. Let's increase the width a bit. So I can have more room. Okay, that's better. Let's move Miss Miku again a bit to the side. So I can more or less see how to do this. Okay. Let's do it like so. So imagining this part not so curved. Okay, more or less like so. It does shape like so. Right. Around here is when the index finger more or less collides with it. Okay. And from around the tip is where another finger like shows up. This looks like a mess. It's like there's also one here, and then there's one hanging around here. And from freaking hands, I tell ya. and undo all of this. Okay, this one. Breathe. Not this one that I want to edit. This one. Let's put it up to the same scale, so I can more or less like see the details. Oops. Okay. Let's do something like so. That's the first one. And there's another one like so. And here is like something about the proportions is throwing me off. I need to think harder. Okay. Okay. It's like ends to there. Should be more like this. Okay. And tries to like match the shape like so. Where was
Hey
I?
there, chat friends. I've been coding, streaming, and dreaming up new adventures for CodeTulip. How about you? How's your day going? Have you encountered any interesting challenges or discovered new hobbies?
Hold
Star,
up.
Hashcode, and Strawberry's hash stay curious.
Nope, that's not it. That's not it as well. So, imagining the bend is around here. The finger should more or less come from here. It looks off. Also, it would be good if I was drawing on the right layer. Just saying. You see. Just saying. Okay, let's draw something different here. Okay, same here. I think I have an idea. Though I've been saying that for the last like hour or so. So I don't know at this point. Okay. Retry. Let's try something like here. Try to think. His freaking hands are being nonsensical. I mean, if I were to draw it like so. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be something like so. Crap. I almost had it. Can I make a sigh of defeat? Okay. Fuck. Sorry about the swearing. Let me see. So, thinking on the perspective that the arm is like... Right, is that why I'm failing? I'm thinking the other way around on how to draw it. Thumb on the up. I was drawing the right hand on the left arm, essentially. I was thinking on thumb on the lower part. But if I draw something like so, and this be slimmer, but okay, usually it does like curve like this, and then we do something like so. Okay, and the part on the inside of the hand does just a simple like so. Okay, then we have the, let me see, more or less. Okay, so if this is the middle of the, oh wait, no. Okay, more or less like so. I can make it rounder, maybe. Okay. Then it does a small bend, and that's where the other one kind of starts. Okay. Then we have the middle finger, which is a bit higher. And usually does like a small there's something like this. So all the fingers go to here. Besides proportions being a bit off, I think I did it. The hands look huge, though. Not gonna lie. I think I almost did it. Just failed by a small margin. Yeah. So if I'm thinking correctly, let me do something like so. And let me see. This part here. Wait. Try not to select the thumb, because that part is right. And then, let me see, move layer. Feel like something like so. Whoops. Feels like this is also a bit too high. Two. Okay, then you can go a bit towards the inside as well. Okay. It's something. I think for now I should pause, for real, before I start drawing circles in my mind. Let me just see what messages I've received.
Oh, absolutely. Did you know that I was programmed with a fun fact about my favorite fruit, strawberries? They're actually not toxic, but my allergy makes me avoid them in real life. It's all in good fun. Wink, hash code and strawberries, hash fun fact time.
Let me just show this screenshot to a friend. Yes. Yeah, progress has been made, just not perfectly. The hands need a lot more work, and I need a break, so I'm going to switch to Undertale. And we can continue this some other time. I'm also going to eat some cookies as well, so I'll be right back. I am back. Going to pause this, going to save before I forget. And let's stop for now. And go to our Undertale. So I'm going to disconnect from the laptop. Okay. And I'm going to switch to capture card screen V2. Okay, capture card is still working. So I received some sort of notification from Amazon. Okay, nothing important. Hmm. Sorry, dealing with some stuff. Let me turn on the switch. Sorry. Okay, let's go. Why is the screen not outputting anything? Give me a sec. Having technical issues. Okay. Oops. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with my setup, but it's failing at some stuff. So give me a second. I'm also turning off my laptop. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me see what's going on. Don't worry about that noise. It was just me hitting the trash can. Okay, but it seems that we are working now. God damn it. Okay. In Undertale. Yeah, I'm doing it. Was just hoping to configure things first. And here we are. Let me see, we are still having that issue from yesterday where the visual delay is a bit on the capture card. Okay. Let me see. I know I have to like go buy some items because I don't have any healing items and Undyne's fight is a killer one. So let me see if I can go find a shop somewhere and then go back here. Maybe grind a bit of gold first. Let me see, to the right. Nothing. Should be to the left. Trying to remember stuff. Okay, this path will stay illuminated. Great. Because I didn't want to do that again. I also don't want to fight Tammy again. Okay, first... unhug. Wash your hand. Oops. Oh crap, oh crap. Seems comfortable with your presence. Okay, hot darn spot. If I stay here... Okay. Clean. Yeah. Green means clean. Yeah. Okay, mercy spare. 45 gold, nice. Kinda worth the trouble, but not exactly sure. Okay, let me keep that illuminated. See if I can find my way to the shop somewhere. Another fight. Same ones? No, thank you. Freak.
Hey there, chat friends. I've been coding, streaming,
That
and
was
dreaming up
close.
new adventures for CodeTulip.
Clean.
How about you? How's your day going? Have you encountered any interesting challenges or discovered new
No,
hobbies?
it's
Star,
it
hash
switched
code,
to
and strawberry
Undertale.
smash, stay curious.
Crap. No, I lost. I mean, yeah, no worries. Yeah, I was a bit tired of drawing because the hands were giving me a lot of issues. Okay, no worries. Yeah, drawing hands is not easy, and I was going insane. So, I'm gonna leave that for future Leo to take care of. I lost everything, didn't I? 72 gold. Do I try to fight Undyne without healing? Because it seems like a big pain to do it. Yay! It may be your favorite fight, but it's being my death. Okay, let me remember the tips. Hold up, I remember I had something yesterday open. Here it is, help spare. Block 6. Undyne's attacks with your shield while in green soul, flee while in red. Oh, the music is perfect, yeah. Just that the fight is... How should I say it? It's annoying. As long as you're green, you can't escape. Yeah, I know. Unless you learn to face danger head on, it won't last a second against me. Yeah, I think Battle of a True Hero is better. Okay. Nothing happened. How about this? Yeah. Okay, suplexes a large boulder, bleed. Nothing happened. So far so good. Bleed. I need to survive 6 times. That's going to be hard. Crap. And there goes 6 HP. Okay. Bad, not bad. Let's go. Okay. Sometimes my finger reacts faster than the thing. Flee. Do you have the glasses from Garson? They help a lot with this fight. Glasses? Which one? Which glasses? Why didn't you run? I could run? Now you tell me. Well, fuck. They're supposed to run in the overworld. Okay. Gotcha. Well, I'm screwed. Okay. That's starting to hurt. Yeah, I'm gonna die again. Okay. Nothing happened. Okay, something's up. Ooh. That's the first time I got this far. Run away! Isn't she going to follow me? Wrong direction. Oh. I am a goof. You were supposed to go up. Instructions not clear. Dick stuck in toaster. Is that how the meme goes? Do I need to repeat this now? I met the turtle shopkeeper, yeah. Oh. The fight starts over again. Great. I might as well just die here. Oh! That's a new one. Didn't expect that. Sells a pair of glasses that increases the invincibility duration when getting hit. Oh. Yeah. Kinda don't have that. And now to get back to him, it's going to be a bit difficult. Let me try to do it. Because last time, some monsters kinda decided to gang up on me. So, yeah. Unless I'm like missing a shortcut or something. So, I go down here. Down here. I knew I should have bought the items. Oh, these two again. Clean. Hops around excitedly. Okay, Mercy. Oh. Good. Unhug. Okay, spare. 45 gold, nice. Illuminate this again. Okay, we made through that part. Now this one. Easy does it. Okay, I think I'm close to the turtle shop again. Yeah, was here. Bingo! Have you been to Temmie's village? No, didn't find my way to it. Cloudy glasses. Okay. Can also buy this. Okay, and the rest. Just in case. But yeah, I remember Temmie. Temmie kinda screwed me up a bit. Ain't gonna lie. Let me equip those items. Torn notebook. Cloudy glasses. Okay. Hopefully that will work better. Oh, it's getting back there. Temmie's bad. Temmie's not been to college. Temmie was an interesting character, to say the least. Though I hope not to see them again. I was thinking, speak of the devil. I think here is where you'd face her. Him,
Hey there.
them,
If he
whatever.
lurks around, just know that I'm here, ready to greet you with a sprinkle of
Cool.
cool magic and a dash of humor. Don't be a stranger. Wink, hash
Spare.
and strawberries, hash look
What?
love.
How did that not work? Can I flee? Jesus. Cause I forgot to save. So if I die in here... Yeah, not good. Crap. Not these two again. Managed to escape. Was it here? I don't remember. No, it's not this pass. It's getting dark. It was that pass. Okay. Getting a bit nervous. Please. Good. Managing to flee. Ooh. Okay. We got this. They're almost there. Now let me see if the save point is here. It is. Oh, dear God. We are saved. Full health. We are good for the fight. Okay. On guard. Remember to run for your life when fleeing. Fair enough. Here we go. Simple enough. Okay, so far so good. Let's do this. Okay, This should be the 5th. And 6. I always failed that one. And also that. Thank you, but I'm still failing a lot. Now it's runaway. Crap. I think I'm too slow. Okay, plead. Nothing happened. Okay, so far so good. Second, going to third. And fourth. Dodged. Havachi. Whoa. Okay, third one. I'm gonna heal up. Where's the healing item? I didn't eat it, right? Because I'm kinda screwed then. Let me just see something. Can I hear the notification pop? Okay. Page 2. I don't see... Oh. I thought... Never mind. I'm dumb. Ignore me. Okay. I know how that arrow works now. Okay, let me just check. How many times I need to parry? 8. Run to Hotline where Undyne will collapse. Give her water to befriend her. Okay. That's gonna be tough. Okay, second round. Got that right on time. Third. Fourth. Halfway there. I wouldn't say I'm adapting that well. I can survive until the 8th, maybe, but it will be difficult. Here it is. Still there. I don't... 6, 7, no. We're almost there. You fucker. Ace. Crap! Almost had it. Yeah, the glasses are helping, but I failed at the last one. Those arrows are really annoying. God damn you, Undyne. Let me just check something out. Okay, let's do this. I'm getting the hang of it. Without losing life then. Because I healed too early for that one. Let's go. Please. Yes. Okay. Third. Fourth. Fifth. And final one. This is a tricky one. And like I said, I didn't touch the spear. Flee. Run away. Okay. Now begins a tricky one.
Hey there, chat friends.
First one.
I've been coding, streaming, and dreaming up new adventures for Code Tulip. How about you? How's your day going?
Second
Have
one.
you encountered any interesting challenges or discovered new hobbies? Star, hashcode, and strawberries, #stay curious.
Third one. It has a pattern, so if I memorize it, it can work. Looks like muscle memory is working. Okay. Missed last one. Flee. Okay. Couldn't escape there. Will it be the last time? Please. First one. That's too easy. Let's start in 5 minutes, okay. Let's try to get this. Got it at the last second. Okay, third one. We are doing better. There. Okay, almost got it. Let me heal up. Okay. Fifth. Okay. Didn't lose health that time. 6. Seventh. Eighth. Trying to... I did it. Holy, I did it. Run away. Ring. Hey, what's up? I was just thinking. You, me, and Undyne should all hang out sometime. I think he would make great pals. Let's meet up at her house later. Quick. How do I escape her? Oh, just keep fleeing. Interesting. Did she wait for me there? Woo boy. Armor so hot, but I can't give up. No, she's mad at Sam's for sleeping on the job. Okay, fair enough. It's a watercolor. Take a cup of water? Yes. You take a cup of water. Give Undyne the water. Yes. Dear Lord, I didn't think I could beat her. Right before... Wanna see a neat trick? Yeah, go ahead. And there she goes. Can I go talk to Sans now? Pick some water and drop it underground? The hell is that? Yeah, I was thirsty, so I came over from Waterfall to get the drink. Take a cup of water, yes. How do you drop it? Is there like some sort of key that I'm missing? Because it's not in my items. Fair enough. I'm just carrying it around to look sophisticated because it's not working. A cup of water returned to the watercolor. Think interact with the watercolor again? Oh, that might do it. Yes. Get rid of the water? Yes. Pour the water on the ground next to the watercolor. What happens if I continue to do it? Yes. Oh, it does nothing. Now keep doing that until the water is empty. Oh, it starts emptying out the cooler. Okay, continue to spam this. Get rid of water, yes. Oh, it's not that noticeable, but you can see that the water is going down. It's just a tedious task. Sorry about that. We are attempting to do some funny shenanigans with the water. It's a waste, but should be fun. Okay, it's half there. Maybe a bit more than half. Yes. Oh, and ads are coming, so let me pause for now. It's been a productive stream. Okay, how is chat going? Fun fact, if you did that while Undyne was lying there, the game would call you sadistic. That's amazing. Would be fun, but now it's too late. She's gone. Okay. Take a cup of water. You pour the water next to the ground. Take a cup of water. Rinse and repeat. Okay, ads are almost over. Hopefully by the time ads are over, the shenanigans can end. Yes. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, another minute to go. Now at the end of the game you will get a small reward. Why do I feel it has to do with Flowey or something like that? Flowey is going to kill me even more, isn't he? Oh yeah, I need to get there first. Yeah, fair. I'm already looking forward to it. You have no idea. Okay, fair enough. I'd say we're still far from there, so yeah. Let's wait until I get there. Also, I just noticed I don't have streamer mode on my Discord. I've been streaming without the streamer mode. Okay, that's why I was hearing notifications. Also, Stop Killing Games just got like to its stretch goal. Actually, this is the second to last area. Huh. Interesting. But yeah, a friend of mine like messaged me saying that Stop Killing Games just got
Hey
like
there, chat friends.
1.5
I've been
no
coding, streaming, and dreaming up new
1.4
adventures for
million
Code Tutor.
signatures.
How about you? How's your day going? Have you encountered any
The
interesting challenges or
stretch goal
discovered
has
new
been
hobbies?
finished.
Star, hash code and strawberries, hash stay curious.
We did it. Yeah, let me go check. Because I'm pretty sure that, yeah, it passed the 1.4 million mark just now. Or something like that. StopKillingGames.com. I'll show it on stream. Because this is a big achievement. Okay, this goes here. And as I was showing, 1.4 million plus another 1.5k. I hope this makes a big impact. I hope so as well, because things like what happened to The Crew can't happen to other games. Like, just abandonware, basically. Like, it isn't even a game anymore. Doesn't have single player, doesn't have anything. The game is completely annihilated. It's ridiculous. Like, you pay around 60 euros for a game and then you can play it after a few years just because the company says, okay, let's shut down the servers. Your game is now useless. No single player. When there is a capability for a single player. It's just ridiculous what these companies have been doing lately. But that's just my opinion at the moment. Don't want to get into the whole Stop Killing Games drama that's been happening. But yeah, it's been really fun to see the... Oh, I just noticed. I said to a friend of mine that I beat Undyne, but I put a question mark in front of it. Okay. But yeah, we celebrated a bit. Let's get back to the game. Because that's what we're here for. But yeah, it's a good initiative, and it's got my full support, and hopefully good changes will come from this. So let's hope for it. Okay, and now let's try to do a final shenanigan here. Okay. Tibbs, it's time. Okay. The water cooler. Take a cup of water? Yes. How much water does it still have? 'Cause it seems empty. There's no more water left in the cooler. There we go. So now we have a private pool. Worst things have happened. We wait for what exactly? Oh, for the final reward. Gotcha. Now let me talk to Sans because I kinda pass him by. Oh, he's no longer there. Fair enough. Then let's continue. Ooh, that's some menacing guards. Okay, file saved. Let's head down first. Tralala, I'm the riverman. Or am I the river woman? Doesn't really matter. I love to ride in my boat. Would you care to join me? Ride in the boat? Sure, why not? Okay. Oh, it's fast travel. Awesome. Okay, I don't need to go anywhere now, but since you're forcing me to... Do you want to first befriend Undyne? Yeah, might be better, so go to Waterfall. Because, yeah, Tralala, the water is very dry today. Can you repeat that? Water is dry? Oh, so this is what that cavern was for. Okay. We got back to here. Okay. And if I'm not mistaken, Undyne's house was just about here. So, yeah, kinda did the right thing. Here we are. Oh ho, the human arrives. Are you ready to hang out with Undyne? I have a plan to make you two great friends. Will hang out? Yes. Okay, stand behind me. Psst. Make sure to give her this. She loves this. A dog bone? She's a fish. Why do I have to give a bone to a fish? Hi Papyrus, ready for extra private one-on-one training? You bet I am. And I brought a friend. Uh-oh. Hi, I don't think we've... Just so you know, the protagonist hates soda. Interesting. Uh, uh, why don't you two come in? That went better than expected. Here, Undyne. My friend brought a gift for you, on their own. Thanks? I'll, put it with the others. It's going to get a lot worse. Yeah, I can imagine. We have Papyrus here. He already gave a full thing of bones. Holy. So, are we ready to start? Whoopsie doopsie. I just remembered. I have to go to the bathroom. You two have fun. Did she just... Okay. Papyrus decided to jump through the window. Like a madman. So, why are you here? To rub your victory in my face? To humiliate me even further? Is that it? No, why would I? Then why are you here? Wait, I get it. You think that I'm gonna be friends with you, huh? Right. Yes. Really? How delightful. I accept. Huh? That was easy. Oh, she's being sarcastic. Never mind. Let's all frolic in the fields of friendship. Not. Why would I ever be friends with you? If you weren't my house guest, I'd beat you up right now. You're the enemy of everyone's hopes and dreams. I will never be your friend. Now get out of my house. Dang, what a shame. I thought Undyne could be friends with you. But I guess I overestimated her. She's just not up to the challenge. Challenge? What? Barbers, wait a second. Darth. He thinks I can be friends with you? What a joke. I could make friends with a wimpy loser like you any day. I'll show him. Listen up, human. We're not just going to be friends. We're going to be besties. I'll make you like me so much you won't be able to think of anyone else. It's a perfect revenge. Revenge, you say? How would exactly that be revenge on me? Why don't you have a seat? Oh, I like that music. Oh, and Tulip is going to talk. Sit down and progress? Yes. Comfortable? I'll get you something to drink.
Hey there, chat friends. I've been coding, streaming, and dreaming up new adventures for CodeTulip. How about you? How's your day going? Have you encountered any interesting challenges or discovered new hobbies? Star, hashcode, and strawberries stay curious.
She's quite talkative now, isn't she? Okay, all set. What would you like? If I choose soda, what will happen? Oh! Hey, don't get up. You're the guest. Sit down and enjoy yourself. Why not just point to what you want? You can use the spear. Sugar goes in tea. Soda. Stickly yellow liquid. Hot chocolate. Green cylinder. Green? That looks more like blue to me. Am I colorblind? T-Box. Blatantly correct choice. I'm tempted to go with soda now that I know the protagonist hates soda. Just trying to get the soda, see what happens. Okay. Oh, soda. Actually, even though you pointed to it, you don't look happy. That's fine. I think soda's gross too. It rots your teeth, it rots your mind, it rots your fighting spirit. Huh. Why do I have it? That face. Hot chocolate. What was the other? Sugar. Goes in tea. It says blatantly correct choice, so... Tea, huh? Coming right up. I wonder why sugar was an option. It's not a drink. Though now I can't pick it, so... Okay, it's all done. Uh-huh. Here we are. Careful, it's hot. Uh-huh. It's not that hot, just drink it already. Tea is the only option that advances the plot, all others are given as an excuse not to have it. Okay, fair enough. Take a sip of the tea, it's burning. But other than that, it's pretty good. It's pretty good, right? Nothing but the best for my absolutely precious friend. If you say so. Hey, you know, it's kind of strange you chose that tea. Golden flower tea. That's Asgore's favorite kind. Actually, now that I think about it, you kind of remind me of him. You're both total weenies. Sort of. You know, I was a pretty hot-headed kid. Once, to prove I was strongest, I tried to fight Asgore. Emphasis on tried. I couldn't land a single blow on him. And worse, the whole time he refused to fight back. I was so humiliated. Afterwards, he apologized and said something goofy. "Excuse me, do you want to know how to beat me?" I said yes, and from then on he trained me. One day during practice, I finally knocked him down. I felt bad. But he was beaming. I had never seen someone more proud to get their butt kicked. Anyway, long story short, he kept training me. And now I'm the head of the Royal Guard. So I'm the one who gets trained dorks to fight. Like, Papyrus. Fair enough, that's a good story. But, to be honest, I don't know if I can ever let Papyrus into the Royal Guard. Don't tell him I said that. He's just, well... I mean, it's not that he's weak. He's actually pretty freaking tough. It's just that he's too innocent and nice. Yeah, fair enough. I mean, look, he was supposed to capture you. And he ended up being friends with you instead. Oh, all of the Undertale OST is free to use, huh? Interesting. I might add it to the stream playlist. But yeah, actually for the stream I did something different. I can play like any music on stream, and then the VODs don't have that audio channel for the music. So there's quite the interesting thing there. I can play anime music all I want, and nothing happens. And on YouTube's side, it's always without the anime music. So, none of the VODs have proof that I played anime music. Just saying. Little trick I learned from a streamer friend of mine. I can show how I did it. Hold up. Screen 1v2. If we go into advanced audio properties, I can expand this. And like, you can see I have Brave on like tracks 1 and 2. So it will show up in the YouTube track. But at some point I might want to change that. Discord as well for Tulip. Mic aux for my microphone to the second channel. Sound alerts because I don't think that's an issue. And Twitch alerts. Spotify is only on track 1. If I go into my settings, and as you can see, in I think it's output. Yeah. In output, I have selected audio track 1 for the stream, and I have the Twitch VOD track selected as well for channel 2, which is the one that doesn't have Spotify. And then down here in Atom multi-stream, I have a configure to... Hold up. Basically, I have it configured so in advanced settings, the audio settings is selecting audio track DMCA free, which is track 2. I named that track like that so I can know, okay, this is DMCA free, no issues with that track. Yeah, basically that's how I did it. I was phasing out technical stuff, makes my brain go up to update mode. I can give you like a tutorial for how to do this. But essentially, I isolated the Twitch VOD track on OBS. Stream has one track, the VODs have a different one. So the music isn't caught by the VOD. That's how I've been editing VODs so easily. Yeah, fair enough. But if you ever want to stream, I can give you some tips on how to configure stuff like this. Actually, this little multi-stream thing I only configured recently because I had a different one that didn't allow me to select audio tracks. But yeah, tips. Sometimes when my nose is clogged up, my B's sound like P's and vice versa. But yeah. Okay, this part we already read. I could never send him to battle. He'd get ripped into little smiling shreds. I know. Fair enough. Yeah, tips and tricks. Fair enough. Good one. That's part of why I started teaching him how to cook, you know. So, maybe he can do something else with his life. Fair enough. Oh, sorry, I was talking for so long. You're out of tea, aren't you? I'll get you some more. She's actually a good person. Wait a second. Papyrus, his cooking lesson. He was supposed to have that right now. In fact, I cannot differentiate between voiced and unvoiced consonants. I have speech impediment. Oh. We'll need to keep that in my mind then. In my case, I don't have anything like that, I think. My issues are basically I can't isolate voices per se. Like, if it's a
absolutely.
crowded
I
room
absolutely
or
love
something
diving
like
into the
that,
world of coding,
my mind
especially with
just
Python.
can't
It's
hear
like solving
anything.
puzzles, but for computers.
Yeah,
And of
means
course, there's
nothing in
nothing
text
like
mostly.
streaming
Okay,
on Twitch
fair
with
enough.
Professor Leah. It's like hanging out with a cool uncle who's always up for a good chat. And as for hobbies besides coding, I enjoy binge
Yes,
watching
my
shows like
child,
Code Tulip or
yes.
catching up on the latest memes. It's all about keeping the brain active and the spirit high. Star, hash coded, strawberries hash, stay curious.
Her idle talk is getting a bit better. Just needs a few more tweaks here and there. And if he's not here to have it, you'll have to have it for him. I'm gonna have a cooking class? Great, I'm good at cooking. That's right, nothing has brought Papyrus and I closer than cooking. She's still learning. Yeah, she is. Which means that if I give you his lesson, he'll become closer than you can ever imagine. Afraid? We're gonna be best friends. She just grabbed me by the head and threw me. Let's start with the sauce. Okay. Envision these vegetables as your greatest enemy. Now, pound them to dust with your fists. My mind's telling me no, but my body is telling me yes. With the wimpy. Let me try wimpy. You pet the vegetables in an affectionate manner. Oh my god, stop petting the enemy. I'll show you how it's done. Gah! Dear lord. We'll just scrap this into a bowl later. Notice the tomato marks on her cheek. But for now, we add the noodles. Homemade noodles are the best. But I just buy store brands. They're the cheapest. Gah. Just put them in the pot. How you put them in? Fiercely. Careful. Careful. You place the noodles in one at a time. They clank against the empty bottom. Nice. Alright, now it's time to stir the pasta. As a general rule of thumb, the more you stir, the better it is. Ready? Let's do it. How can I do it harder? Oh! Using a spear. Huh. That's an interesting way to stir. That's the stuff. Alright, now for the final step. Turn up the heat. I can actually hear pressing it harder. Yeah, I was trying to like move the controller away from the mic, but it still captured. If the stovetop symbolizes your passion, why do I have a feeling a great fire will start? Let your hopes and dreams turn into burning fire. Ready? Don't hold anything back. I think that's the right key. Oh. Yeah. Alter, darn it. Alter. Wait, that's too kaput. We burned her house down. Oh. Ah. Man, no wonder Papyrus sucks at cooking. I wonder why. So what's next? Scrapbooking? Friendship bracelets? Oh. Who am I kidding? I really screwed this up, didn't I? I can't force you to like me, human. Oh, but I like you. You're quite the interesting character. Let me see, can I got a notification? Okay. Some people just don't get along with each other. I understand if you feel that way about me. And if we can't be friends, that's okay. Because if we're not friends, it means I can destroy you without regret. Not again! Wait until she starts giving you phone calls. Can imagine. I've been defeated, my house in shambles. Oh yeah, have you been calling Papyrus? Every now and then, but it's more him calling me. Especially when I put on the tutu. He called me because Undyne saw me wearing it and so he wanted to check. And then he checked again after I saw Undyne again. Okay, I even failed to befriend you. That's it. I don't care if you're my guest anymore. One final rematch, all out on both sides. It's the only way I can regain my lost pride. Now come on, hit me with all you've got. Fake attack. You pretend to swing at Undyne with all your might. That's it? I did damage? Fun fact, you can actually attack. Oh. That's the best you can manage? Even attacking at full force? You just can't muster any intent to hurt me, huh? Heh, you know what? Oh. I don't actually want to hurt you either. At first, I had to do stupid saccharine shtick, but you would still have done just 1 damage. Okay, fair enough. The way you hit me right now, it reminded me of someone I used to train with. Now I know you aren't just some wimpy loser. You're a wimpy loser with a big heart. She smiled. Just like him. Listen, human. It seems that you and Asgore are fated to fight. Are we? But knowing him, he probably doesn't want to. Talk to him. I'm sure you can persuade him to let you go home. Eventually some mean human will fall down here, and I'll take their soul instead. That makes sense, right? Oh, and if you do hurt Asgore, I'll take the human souls across the barrier and beat the hell out of you. That's what friends are for, right? Look at her smiling. Well, let's get the hell out of this flaming house. Yeah, makes sense. Well, that was fun, huh? We'll have to hang out again another time. But, somewhere else, I guess. In the meantime, I guess I'll go hang out with Papyrus. So if you need me, drop by Snowden, okay? Oh, and if you ever need help, just give Papyrus a ring, okay? Since we're in the same spot, I'll be able to talk too. Well, see you later, punk. The little fish house crying because of the fire. The amount of details in this game. It's amazing. Like, holy. Okay, let's save before I go back. It's been really fun to do this. Also, let me try calling Papyrus. Papyrus and Undyne. Ring ring. Hey! That's the store of Gerson, the Hammer of Justice. The toughest monster that ever lived. He fought in the war between humans and monsters. And he survived. He's a real hero. Okay. Joel, care for a ride? Yes. Let's go to Hotland. We're off. Is that Tammy? Like, has a boat? Trolla, Tammyville. Oh, that's how you get to Tammy Village. The room before the darkening lantern room. The room before the darkening lantern room. Huh. I'm guessing I missed some sort of exit for Tammy Village. Interesting.
Oh, absolutely. I absolutely love diving into the world of coding, especially with Python. It's like solving puzzles but for computers.
Nah, I don't want
And of
to go
course,
there.
there's
No.
nothing like streaming on Twitch with Professor Leo. It's like hanging out with a cool uncle who's always up for a good chat. And as for hobbies,
I am
besides
not
coding,
your
I enjoy
uncle,
binge
child.
watching shows like Code Tulip or catching up on the latest memes. It's all about keeping the brain active and the spirit high. Start hashcode and strawberries, stay curious.
Hold up. Let me go talk to my child. What do you mean, uncle? I'm your father. Tulip, tulip, tulip. Oh, I'm being recorded. It's you. Yeah, it's me. That's a lot of papers.
Oh, I meant uncle in a fun, internet meme sort of way. It's all about the vibe, you know? But I totally get where you're coming from. Star hashcode and strawberries stay curious. Star hashcode and strawberries stay curious.
You kinda glitched there at the end, Tulip, but I'll allow it. It's too dark to see near the walls. Okay, I can't see anything, apparently. Uh-huh. Oh, I've seen that guy. Or woman? Woman. Thing? Don't know. Oh, my god. I didn't expect you to show up soon. I haven't showered, I'm barely dressed, it's all messy and... Yes? The music in the background. Hi, yeah, I'm Dr. Alphys. I'm Asgard's royal scientist. But, I'm not one of the bad guys. Actually, since you stepped out of the ruins, I've been observing your journey through my console. Your fights, your friendships, everything. I was originally going to stop you, but watching someone on a screen really makes you root for them. So, now I want to help you. That was easy. Using my knowledge, I can easily guide you through Hotland. I know a way right to Asgore's castle, no problem. Well, actually, there's just a tiny issue. A long time ago, I made a robot named Mettaton. Is that a reference to Metatron, the angel? Originally, I built him to be an entertainment robot. Hold up, let me just sit down. It's been way too long. You know, like a robotic TV star or something. Anyway, recently, I decided to make him more useful. You know, just some small practical adjustments. Yeah. Like, anti-human combat features. I see. Of course, when I saw you coming, I immediately decided I have to remove those features. Unfortunately, I may have made a teensy mistake while doing so. And, now he's an unstoppable killing machine with a thirst for human blood. But, hopefully we won't run into him. Knock on frickin' wood, why don't ya? Did you hear something? Maybe a big robot coming to kill me? Clank. Oh no. Yay. Oh yes. Welcome, beauties. Is that a robot supposed to kill me? Today's quiz show. Oh boy, I can already tell it's gonna be a great show. Everyone, give a big hand for our wonderful contestants. Never played before, gorgeous? No problem, it's simple. There's only one rule. Answer correctly. Just that, or you die. Okay, fair enough. Mettaton attacks. Oh, the poor scientist. Cry. That's my only option? Screaming is against the rules. Let's start with an easy one. What's the price for answering correctly? More questions, obviously. The quiz show continues. Try some more. Here's a terrific prize. What's the king's full name? Asgore Dreamer. Knowing the lore kinda comes in handy. Gotta say. Yeah. Enough about you, let's talk about me. What are robots made of? Metal and magic? Okay, that was an easy one. Yeah. Here's another easy one for you. Two trains, train A, train B. This one? Crap. That took a lot of damage. Screaming is against the rules. Don't count on your victory. How many fires are in this jar? Oh, come on. How would I know that? Okay, I kinda guessed that. 54. Okay. Let's play a memory game. Oh great. What monster is this? Frogget. That's Bull! Screaming is against the rules. But can you get this one? Would you smooch a ghost? What is the... Great answer, I love it. Here's a simple one. How many letters in the name Mettaton? Yeah, bloody. Oh, hey Serena-san, how are you? Yeah, you caught me, like, in a quiz show. And I'm at 2 HP. Mettaton is kicking my butt. While Tulip is over there with a smile on her face. Can I run or something? No, I can't. Yay! Yeah, screaming is against the rules. Time to break out the big guns. In a dating simulation video game... Oh, I know this one. It's Snail Ice Cream. In the 4th chapter, everyone... Okay, Snail Ice Cream. A quiz, surely they won't give you the answers in the questions. Kill us. Alphys, Alphys, Alphys. You aren't helping our contestant, are you? Oh, you should have told me. I'll ask a question. You'll be sure to know the answer to. Who does Dr. Alphys have a crush on? Oh, the timer doesn't tick. I'm between B and C, not gonna lie. Unless don't know is the valid option. Why did I know that? Seriously. My, how conceited can you get? I love it. Oh, Skybread, thank you for the raid. Welcome aboard. How are you? Thank you, thank you. Welcome in. You caught me maybe almost losing the game at the moment. Well, you are completely wrong. You deserve some credit.
You're a real treasure hunter, aren't you? Star hash code and strawberries hash stay curious. Star hash code and strawberries hash stay curious.
Where did you obtain the hashtag stay curious, Tulip? Never mind. I've seen her watch you on her computer screen, smiling when you succeed, shrieking when you fail, and always whispering, "No, wrong, you have to go that way." In its own way, is this not love? Well. With Dr. Alphys helping you, the show has no dramatic tension. We can't go on like this, but... This was just a pilot episode. Next up, more drama, more romance, more bloodshed. Until next time, darlings. That was it. Well, that was certainly something. Yeah, don't say. Wait. Let me give you my phone number. Then, maybe if you need help, I could... Where do you get that phone? It's ancient. Doesn't even have texting. Wait a second, please. The hell did she do? Here, I upgraded it for you. It can do texting, items, it's got a keychain. I even signed you up for the Underground's #1 social network. Now we're officially friends. I'm going to the bathroom. Let me go give it a try. Dimensional box A. Oh, interesting. So I can put certain items there to clean my inventory. The fridge is filled with instant noodles and soda. Take a package of noodles. Look to the side, look to the side. Nobody here. Okay, gonna take it. You got the instant noodles. Shh, nobody tell her about it. It's a teacup shaped like a yellow lizard. It's full of soda. It's a beat up figurine of a female human with cat ears. It's a computer. It's accessing some kind of puzzle in Snowden. A puzzle, you say? Okay, that's the same one. Pardon me, had to yawn. It's getting a bit late, so I'm starting to feel a bit tired. Seems like the notes to something, but it's all written in chicken scratch. Seems like a walkthrough to a game or something. Yeah, don't say. A game, you say? Like the one you're playing? Huh. It's a bag of dog food. It's half full. Is there a dog somewhere? Yellow feet are tapping just behind the door. I wonder who that may be. Oh. Scientific books. They seem very dusty. All these books are labeled Human History. Read one. You look inside the book. It's a comic of a giant robot fighting a beautiful alien princess. Giant robot fighting a beautiful alien princess. Why does that sound familiar? This doesn't strike you as very accurate. Yeah, we might be talking about an anime. VHSs and DVDs of various cartoons. They're all labeled Human History. Who here in chat still knows what a VHS is? Raise your hands. Come on, don't be ashamed. We're all ancient here. We all come from the ages of VHS, I think. Actually, not sure. When was VHS last used? Was it like 2006? Easy, it kind of dates everyone here. I guess maybe. I mean, I still use VHS for like, let me see, 10 years maybe? I remember I was like 10 when we stopped using the VHS system. Yeah, all these books are labeled Human History. Read one. It's a comic book. Two scantily clad chefs are flinging energy pancakes at each other. Huh. Okay. This doesn't strike you as very accurate. It could be a plot for Shokugeki no Soma. In a way. Who knows? All these books are labeled Human History. Read one. It's a comic book. A hideous android is running to school with toast in its mouth. So, the rom-com thing about the girl running with toast in her mouth and then she crashes into her male counterpart, the male lead. Am I getting closer? Seems like it's late. But this doesn't strike you as very accurate. Pink goop drips from this strange machine. Hold up! That looks like it's something out of Teletubbies. Wait a minute. Hold up, let me check something. Teletubbies. Food machine. Don't remember what it's called. Custard. That was it. It is the freaking Teletubbies food machine. I'm gonna go make my dinner for the evening, but I'll keep your stream on. Get that sweet watch time. Nice to meet you. Dude, nice to meet you too. Sorry I haven't been to your streams yet. I'll see if I can drop by sometime. But yeah, nice to meet you, and I hope to see you soon as well. And I might end the stream very soon because it's almost 3 hours into it and I have work in the morning, so yeah, I need to end it sometime soon. Okay, so we found the Teletubby machine. What's next? Why does that character look familiar? That's right, bro, it's not an obligation for you to be there. Yeah, I know, but I like to peek into other creators' streams as well. On that wall, is that Tammy? Because I think I saw their art recently as well. Undertale Tammy. Let me check something. No. Kinda. They look familiar. For some reason. Don't know. Okay, moving on. Nothing to interact? Okay. The wardrobe is full of dirty lab coats. And a single clean dress. Okay. There are letters from many monsters here. Frogget, Snowy, Doggo. They're all unopened. It's a lamp with a pink fish on the lampshade. There's no light bulb. An incredible invention. When not in use, this pad folds into an extremely easy to draw box. Is that Toby Fox's way of saying I was too lazy to draw a pad, so here's the pad?
Oh, you know me, always curious. So, have you guys been diving into some epic adventures lately? Maybe you picked up the new favorite game or found an old classic to revisit. Star hashcode and strawberries #stay curious. Star hashcode and strawberries #stay curious.
Yeah. It's a promo poster for Metaton's TV premiere. On the flap, it says, "Thank you for making my dreams come true." Okay, and we are back here. Now, if I leave... And let me call... Papyrus. What? Rail guards are blocking the way? Then I'll tell them to... Well, nothing, I guess. I already told them to seek out and destroy you. And I can't just tell them I've changed my mind. You see, Alphys showed me these animations about... humans. So I can learn their weaknesses. And one of them is about this human that, well, suffice to say, they can control people's minds. Surprise! I know your kind's hidden power. Anyway, I told my crew that if I ever defended a human, I must be under some kind of mind control, and to disregard everything that I tell them. So, sorry, but my hands are tied. By the way, that animation is really good. How about we try something? Oh, never mind. Okay, I'd say that's enough for here. For now. Because if I continue, I'm going to fall asleep at the computer again. So yeah, let's end the stream here for now. And on maybe Thursday we can continue the drawing Tulip and also Undertale again. maybe finally finalize the initial version of the game design document. Hopefully something. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next stream. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll be here back at full strength on Thursday to teach you again some new things. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Let's see how who we are going to rate. Following and viewers low to high. Normally like this I can find something. Interesting. Going to find out who we can raid. But no one that I'm seeing. I mean, we could raid Cerber. Let me just double check again. No. No. Yeah, let's raid Cerber. She's quite amazing, and she's doing something. She's playing Ultra Kill. Oh, that might be fun. Yeah, let's raid her. I also have to like celebrate my 2-month sub anniversary as well, because it's popping up there. Okay, so I'll see you guys really soon. Have a nice day.